Hello again! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I wanted to share with you my experience of having my DJI Osmo Action 4 repaired. So what was the problem? The thing is, I brought this to the ocean and water went into the USB-C port. How did that happen? I kind of forgot to close this properly. So I've been using the DJI Osmo Action 4 ever since my son was born, and I use it as my second camera most of the time to document my son's milestones. So after 6 to 7 months of regular use, I decided to bring this for my son's first ever beach trip. Of course, I wanted to safely take photos of my son as he experiences the beach and the water for the first time. Since this is relatively old, now that the DJI Osmo Action 5 is already out, I think I can buy one at around 15,000 to 16,000 pesos. But I haven't been using this for a year, so it's definitely gonna suck if I have to replace it. So this is what happened. As you can see, seawater has already turned into salt and has solidified within the USB-C port. I tried charging it for a bit, but of course it didn't work. I also searched on Google if other DJI Osmo Action 4 owners have experienced a similar thing, and they definitely have. And most of their solutions was that they just definitely went to the DJI Service Center and they had it replaced as long as it was within warranty. Later within the day, I figured out that what if I could just remove the SD card. And the good thing with the DJI Osmo Action 4 is that you can remove the SD card from the opposite side, and it's actually found here, right beside the battery. I also removed the battery just to see if it could be saved, and the good thing is that it wasn't wet. So the battery is found here, and then your SD card is found here. So I just removed that, and I was able to save all the photos and videos taken during the first 2 days of our trip. I called up Altitude Digital and they gave me the number to DJI Service Center. They said that I could just walk in, they could assess my Osmo Action 4, and there's a possibility that they might even replace my camera if it's within warranty. The address is in La Fuerza 2 in Chino Roses in Makati. Initially, I actually got lost because the pin on grab was wrong. So when I got there, maybe there were a couple of guys having their drones assessed, and when they asked for my camera, they just simply requested for me to remove this case. And I told them that I removed the battery and the SD card already. They didn't even ask why I got salt water in my camera. And the guy said that it would probably take maybe around 5 to 7 working days for them to approve if they're gonna be able to replace the camera or not, or if they can actually repair it. 3 days later, they messaged me on Viber and said that my replacement camera was ready for pickup. So it was an interesting experience to have my camera broken because of my mistake, and DJI was very much willing to replace the camera at no cost to me because it's still under warranty. I'm currently here today at the DJI Authorized Service Center. They replaced my DJI without any questions asked for free. I guess it was beneficial that my camera was still under warranty. So that's it. Thank you so much. It's a short video. The reason why I'm sharing this is so that you don't make that same mistake if you do decide to buy your own DJI Osmo Action 4 or the newer Osmo Action 5. See you again on the next one. Bye-bye!